Hey there! Craving some silky smooth ice cream, but worried about raw eggs? I've got you covered. Today I'll show you how to make the creamiest vanilla ice cream you've ever tasted. And the best part? No eggs needed. This recipe is so simple. You'll never buy store-bought ice cream again. You'll find all the ingredients in the description below. Let's make some magic happen. All right, let's dive right into making this delicious creamy vanilla ice cream without any eggs. First up, grab a bowl and whisk together your sweetened condensed milk, a generous splash of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. You want to mix these until they're well combined. The sweetened condensed milk is going to give our ice cream that rich, creamy sweetness, while the vanilla adds that classic flavor we all love. The salt? It just enhances all those flavors beautifully. Set this mixture aside for now. Next, we're going to work with our cold heavy cream. Pour it into a mixing bowl, or, if you have one, the bowl of a stand mixer. The key here is to make sure your cream is really cold, as this helps it whip up faster and fluffier. Now, let's whip that cream until it's thick and form stiff peaks. This should happen pretty quickly, so keep an eye on it. You're looking for a texture that holds its shape when you lift the whisk out of the bowl. If you've never done this before, it's like making a cloud out of cream, light and airy.
And if you want to improve your recipes, I'll share a little secret with you. The blender I use is great for all kinds of dishes. It's the one that helps me achieve those delicious results. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. You'll be surprised by the difference.
Once your cream is whipped, take a scoop of it and gently mix it into the condensed milk mixture. This step is all about lightening the condensed milk mixture, making it easier to fold into the rest of the whipped cream. It's like introducing the two mixtures to each other, so they blend together more smoothly later on. Now, it's time to bring it all together. Transfer the rest of your whipped cream into the bowl with the condensed milk mixture. This is where the magic happens. Gently fold the whipped cream into the condensed milk mixture. Be careful here. You don't want to deflate all that lovely air you just whipped into the cream. Use a spatula and a gentle hand, folding until everything is just combined. Overmixing can make the ice cream dense, and we want it to stay light and creamy. Pour your ice cream mixture into a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. This size is perfect for freezing and scooping later. You'll notice the mixture is already looking like ice cream, just without the chill. Cover the loaf pan tightly with plastic wrap. This helps prevent any ice crystals from forming on the surface, keeping your ice cream smooth and creamy. Finally, pop it into the freezer for at least 6 hours, or even better, overnight. This waiting game is the hardest part, but trust me, it's worth it. Once it's fully firm, you're ready to scoop and serve. Enjoy your homemade creamy vanilla ice cream.